Welcome to the students of Accountancy of class 12th. Our today's topic is retirement of a partner and subtopic treatment of goodwill. This is question number 13 of our textbook we are going to solve. The question says alpha, beta and gamma were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. On July 2011, the goodwill was valued at 70,000. There being no account for it in the books on this date, Beta retired past necessary journal entry. Here we have three partners, Alpha, Beta and Gamma. They are sharing their profits in the ratio 2:1. That is alpha equal to 2 by 5, 2 plus 2 plus 1, beta equal to 2 by 5, and gamma equal to 1 by 5. Their goodwill was valued at rupees 70,000. Yes, dear students, goodwill equal to rupees 70,000. Beta retires. Beta retires and beta's share is equal to 2 by 5. That is the old ratio of beta is 2 by 5. Now beta gets retired. Here the question adds that being no account for it is in the books of beta now on this date. So in the absence, here the partnership deed is absent. In the absence of partnership deed, yes, in the absence of partnership deed, profit sharing ratio is equal to 1:1. That is, profits and losses are shared equally in the absence of partnership deed. That is, our new ratio is equal to the ratio of existing partners, that is alpha is to gamma. As we know that beta got retired and now the existing partners are alpha and gamma, and their new ratio is 1:1, keeping in view the rule of partnership deed. Here we know that beta's share of goodwill, this is beta's share 2 by 5, and beta's share of goodwill is equal to this 70,000, that is the goodwill amount, total amount of goodwill, into beta's share, that is 2 by 5. Let's simplify this. It's called 5 ones are 5, 5 14s are, that is 14,000 into 2, which is equal to rupees 28,000. This is beta's share of goodwill, which can be distributed among the existing partners or the gaining partners. Here, our another requirement is the gaining ratio. Gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. New minus old. The gaining ratio of existing partners is retired. First partner is alpha. Let us calculate alpha's gain, which is equal to alpha's new ratio here, alpha equal to 1 by 2 and gamma equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, alpha and gamma. That is 1 by 2 minus alpha's old ratio, that is 2 by 5. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5, which is equal to, by cross multiplication, 5 ones are 5, 2 twos are 4, 5 minus 4 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 10. This is the gaining ratio of alpha, or alpha's gain. Now, gamma's gain. Next existing partner is gamma. Gamma's gain is equal to, or the gamma's gaining ratio, which is 1 by 2, new ratio of gamma, minus 1 by 5, old ratio of gamma, which is equal to 5 ones are 5, cross multiplication, 2 ones are 2, by 5 twos are 10, which is equal to 3 by 10. These are the gaining ratios of the existing partners. Therefore, gaining ratio is equal to alpha is to gamma, that is 1 is to 3. 1 by 10, 3 by 10. That's 1 is to 3. This is our first requirement in this question. And now we have to prepare the journal. Our question is to prepare the journal entry of this same. Prepare necessary journal entry. The format of the journal is, here it is date, particulars, LF, ledger folio, debit amount, and credit amount. This question we have already learned such type of questions, and we know how to prepare the journal entry. Here, the first entry, alpha's capital account, debtor, gamma's capital account, debtor. First of all, we will see the capital accounts of the gaining partners. Let's have a little bit of working note here. The total share of goodwill of Beta after his retirement is 28,000. We have to distribute this 28,000, this amount, among these two partners in the ratio 1 is to 3, that is one gaining ratio. इस रेशियो में हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है among these two partners, gaining partners, this 28,000. Let us have an example. This is 28,000. We are distributing it among two partners in the ratio 1 is to 3. That is, we have 1 plus 3, 4 shares here. 28,000 divided by 4, which is equal to 7,000. Let's have first share 7,000, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. That is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equal to 28,000. But here we can write this is 1 is to 3. That is one share. One share we have to give to this alpha. Alpha will get 1 share and gamma will get these 3 shares. That means 7,000 into 3, 7,000 into 3 equal 21,000 will go to gamma, and 7,000 into 1, that is 7,000, will go to this alpha. So this alpha's capital account 1, that means 1 share, that means 7,000 out of 4 here, and 21,000 to gamma. Gamma is gaining 3 times and alpha 1 time. That means 1 share goes to, out of 4 shares, 1 share goes to alpha and 3 shares go to this gamma. And we can write here B2 beta's capital account. Beta's share of goodwill is being distributed among these partners in the ratio 1:3. That is 28,000 is being distributed among alpha and gamma in the ratio 1:3. That means 7,000 to alpha and 21,000 to gamma. And in this format we write here the narration of this amount, how this amount is being distributed. What we will write here, being beta's share is distributed among existing partners or among gaining partners in the ratio 1:3. Dear students, I hope you would have understood fully this question. Let you take the screenshot of this question and try to understand it, and I will be back soon. We will learn next question. Okay.